Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings within the Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty Warzone game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. From here, if you wish to change your graphic settings, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on it Graphics. From the Graphics section, you can choose your display mode from the drop-down menu, and you may also choose your monitor if you have multiple setup. You can choose your dedicated graphic card from the display adapter option, and you can also define your refresh rate. Underneath, you will have the resolution that you can set for your game depending on your preference. You can click on the quality option in order to choose from various graphic presets. If you are unsure, then make sure that recommended is selected. And if you have a good system, then you may push this to the extreme option. Click on the apply button to apply your settings, and now your settings will be applied to the game right away. You also have various different options within the view settings from which you can define your field of view as well as other camera settings. Make sure to apply your settings after you have changed it, and it will now immediately be added into your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the graphic settings within the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.